Sometimes, little alterations in plants might indicate a more serious issue. Dickeya zeae is frequently linked to this disease in research. Plants with this problem may exhibit symptoms like, in maize, bacterial stem rot is characterized by yellowing of the leaves, leaf sheaths, and stem nodes. After that, the illness spreads quickly to additional leaves along the stem. As the tissues decompose, a foul odor may be detected, and the top of the plant can be easily removed from the rest of the plant. The stem rots completely, and in some cases, the top of the plant falls over. If the stem is cut lengthwise, discoloration and soft rot can be seen inside the stem, mostly concentrated at the nodes. Because the bacteria do not usually spread from plant to plant, infected plants are usually found scattered across the field. However, there have been some reports of plant-to-plant spread through certain insect carriers. The disease is observed in corn when heavy, continuous rainfall is followed by humid weather and high temperatures. Several factors can contribute to this, including the symptoms described above are caused by the bacterium Erwinia chrysanthemi. This bacterium overwinters in the remnants of plant stems on the soil surface, but cannot survive for more than a year under those conditions. There is no evidence that the bacteria are transmitted through seeds. The disease thrives at temperatures of 32–35 degrees Celsius and high relative humidity. Frequent rainfall and overhead irrigation with sprinklers cause prolonged dampness and water accumulation in the leaf ring area. When this stagnant water heats up, it can damage plant tissues, creating lesions that allow the bacteria to infect the stem. Plants experiencing high temperatures or flooding may develop the first symptoms of the disease around the base of the plant. Irrigation water is considered a major source of disease-causing bacteria. Although the disease can spread along the stem to the nodes, the bacteria are generally not transmitted from plant to plant, unless spread by insects. You may first try organic solutions like, currently, there are no biological treatments available to combat E. Chrysanthemi. Please inform us if you know of any effective treatments for this disease. In more advanced situations, treatments may involve. Always consider combining preventative measures with biological treatments where applicable. Irrigation, water, or soil fertilization should be disinfected with bleach powder, 33% chlorine at a rate of 10 kilograms per HA, before flowering. Products containing copper oxychloride can also be used to effectively combat the disease. Finally, supplemental application of potassium chloride, MOP, at a rate of 80 kilograms per HA, divided into 2 applications, may contribute to minimizing the severity of disease symptoms. To help protect plants from this issue, install an effective drainage system to avoid waterlogging. Plant disease-resistant varieties if available locally. Regularly monitor the field for disease symptoms. Avoid over-fertilization with nitrogen, and always apply fertilizer in multiple doses. Adjust the fertilization regime to include high levels of phosphorus and potassium to reduce the likelihood of disease in plants. Avoid watering during the hottest times of the day, as water can accumulate inside the leaf rings. In endemic areas, farmers should incorporate green manure into the soil before planting corn. Incorporate crop residues into the soil after harvest to break the disease cycle. In general, keep in mind that discoloration starts on the leaves and bracts, leaf sheath, before moving on to the stem. The top of the plant readily separates from the remainder, and an unpleasant smell emerges. The stem's inside rots and becomes discolored. For further information about plant care, subscribe to the channel.